And welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Well, for today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to spin a plate. I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you a dead easy way that even young children will be able to do in no time, and a way that probably juggling performers and circus skills performers will spin a plate as part of a routine or act. So you need a plate. You'll note that it's made out of plastic, pretty obvious reasons, because when it drops on the floor it doesn't break. And you will also get a stick. Now what's important about the stick is it's got a slightly pointy end. I'll just put that close to the camera. Hopefully you can see that, and it's different from sort of the other end of the stick, which is just completely flat. You want to spin the plate on the pointy end. So first of all, the easy way to spin a plate. You get your stick, hold it about halfway, maybe a little bit lower, 2/3 the way down, sort of around sort of your chest level. That's where the point should be. Put the plate on, make sure that you're nice and comfortable, and then you're just going to spread your hand like a spider. Call this a spider start, and I'm just going to do it here so you can see, and just give it a nice firm quarter turn. Not too fast or the plate will spin off. Just like that. And then you can just keep it going by just brushing the side. You see, you just want to brush. If you hit it too hard, it starts wobbling and it'll probably fall off. And that's just a way of keeping your plate spinning. I'll just do this at the side so you get a good idea at the side. So that's the really easy way that you can get a plate spinning, and it's great if you're teaching young kids circus skills because it's something you can do quickly and it just builds that confidence. Then you can show them maybe one or two tricks as well. Now, a way that maybe a circus skills performer or a juggler would spin a plate as part of an act or a routine would be like this. And you start in the position of the lollipop start. So that's what it looks like from behind, and you notice the point goes into the groove and it's pointing to the ceiling. It's very important when you're plate spinning, you always get the stick to point straight up at the ceiling and not at an angle, because the plate will come off otherwise. And this is what it looks like at the front. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put your arm out like this, and you keep your arm really still. And you're going to do sort of little circles and then build up speed a little faster and faster, and make the circles a little bit bigger, and you'll see what will happen. I'm just going to sort of sit down so you see, and it'll sort of, the plate will start veering up, and then you freeze your wrist and it should just correct to the center, and you've got your plate spinning. So this is what it looks like, a lollipop start. I'm going to hold my arm so I don't move it. I'm just going to do the circles with my wrist, faster, faster, and then I just freeze, just like that. And you can see we've got the plate spinning nicely there. I'm going to do that one more time. So I'm holding my arm sort of pointing upwards, my finger, and you notice I'm holding the stick much closer to the bottom. It's very, very difficult if you hold the stick halfway or upwards. So make sure you're holding the stick close to the bottom, nice and relaxed. I point my finger upwards, hold your arm, just do those little circles, a bit faster, faster, and there you go, you've got your plate spinning. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit me up with my like, and tell your mates about this. If they're into magic, blue modelling or juggling, there are lots of videos on my channel. There's something there for everyone. But once again, thank you for making time to watch this juggling video tutorial. And until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye-bye.